pen cough is fortified therapeutically for the treatment and prevention of cough, infection caused by mycoplasma, infection of the gastrointestinal tract like sinusitis and enzytic pneumonia, mainly in pig, cows, and poultry. You can get this at Alcia World Concept. Thank you.
Do your birds suffer any kind of coccidiosis? What you need is Cocimo. Cocimo is an anticocide that is used for the treatment and prevention of coccidiosis, either sessile or intestinal, in all poultry, rabbit, and small ruminants. Get yours today at Alcia World Concept.